Assalamualaikum, how are you? Hope your Ramadan is going well. So today's recipe is really easy but one of my favorite peri peri bites. So let's start preparing their ingredients without wasting any time. Take 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a pan. Cut 1 chicken breast fillet in long strips. Cook it until it's changed its color. Add 1 tablespoon garlic paste. 1 teaspoon chicken tikka masala. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 2 tablespoon water. Cook for 2 minutes so the water can dry. Take half a cup of cheese of your own choice. Add cheese cube in the pan. Make sure that flame is on low heat. Add 1 tablespoon of chili sauce of your own choice. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard. Add 1 tablespoon peri peri sauce. Cook it on low flame till it melts. Make sure the flame is low, otherwise your sauces and cheese can burn easily. Cheese is melted. Now add 1 tablespoon of mayo, 1 teaspoon of ketchup or chili garlic sauce. Mix them well. Add some water in it. Now look at the texture and the color. It needs to be like this. Now beat 2 eggs in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of water and beat it again. Beat it until it gets fluffy. Now it's time to fill these big giant green chilies. Take chicken strips and start filling them. Once it's done, take 1 teaspoon of peri peri cheese material. Stuff this green chili with this material. Add it generously, but make sure take out all the excess of the material so the chilies can look like this. Stuff all the chilies and start coating them. Dip stuffed chili in egg, then coat it with maida. Again dip it in egg, then coat it with breadcrumbs generously. Let's prepare all of them and keep it in fridge for 30 minutes. Let's start frying. Keep pan on medium heat. Fry them for 5 to 6 minutes until it gets golden. Once they are done, you can take them out in a strainer and stain all the excess of oil. Make sure not to overcook them. Dish them out and enjoy. If you like our videos, like and subscribe. Do take care of yourself. Keep us in your prayer. Allah Hafiz.